Today we're showcasing the StorageWorks Wicker Basket, a beautifully handcrafted storage solution made from natural water hyacinth. This medium-sized 2-pack is perfect for organizing your home, with each basket measuring 13 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 7 inches high, though keep in mind the size may vary slightly due to its hand-woven design. These versatile baskets are ideal for storing everything from magazines and games to pet toys and bathroom essentials, seamlessly blending into any home decor with their natural, clean, and sustainable materials. Built over a sturdy metal frame, these baskets feature thickened handles for easy carrying and a comfortable grip, making them not only practical but also stylish. The natural wicker material adds a touch of elegance and warmth to any room, ensuring your space remains tidy and inviting. Whether you're looking to declutter or simply add a touch of rustic charm, these water hyacinth baskets are the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.